Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of foldable phones with a twist, the Honor Magic V2 RSR. The Honor Magic V2 RSR is not just any foldable phone. It's a collaboration between Honor and Porsche Design, giving it a distinct and luxurious makeover. Let's talk design. The RSR edition pays homage to Porsche with its iconic agate grey color and sleek lines reminiscent of the Porsche 911. But it's not just about looks. The Magic V2 RSR retains its title as the world's thinnest foldable phone, measuring a mere 9.9mm when folded and 4.7mm when opened. And despite the added design elements, it's still lightweight and durable, thanks to its titanium alloy and proprietary steel hinge design. Now, let's talk specs. The Magic V2 RSR packs a punch with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 16GB of RAM, and up to 1TB of storage. And for display and camera enthusiasts, you won't be disappointed. With a foldable OLED screen and a powerful Falcon camera system, capturing your favorite moments has never been better. But wait, there's more. The Magic V2 RSR box set comes with extra goodies, including an active stylus and a spare 66W charger. So, whether you're a tech lover or a Porsche enthusiast, the Honor Magic V2 RSR combines the best of both worlds in a sleek and sophisticated package. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.